Okay guys, it's time for you guys to pause and try to measure these two values, these two objects basically. Just a second, let me zoom in. Yeah. Please write the measurement of this in fraction form. Done. Please write the measurement of this. You can take a pause. Done. So let me actually write it here itself. So this is nothing but 3 clearly. Post that we have 1/10, 2/10, 3/10 and 4/10. So 3 and 4/10 centimeter. Okay. Next we have 4 1/10 is, sorry, not 4. 1 and 1/10 is already there. Suppose that we have further division, means what? We are going into 100 place as well. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 400th position as well. So 1 and 1/10 and 400th position. Now, this is not that convenient, you know. So 1, 1/10 and 400th. Honestly, it is not easy to write or read. It can be made easier with the help of a small trick. Okay. So 3, 4, 3 and 4/10 can be written as 3 some space and 4. Then we have 1 and 1/10 and 100th can be written as 1. Oh, sorry, this is 4. 1 some space and 14 in this manner. So now you might be asking, well, this looks like 34. So is 34 and 3 some space and 4? How do you differentiate it? They are not equal clearly, because 3 and space and 4 actually is 3 and 4 by 10th or 4/10. This particular number represents a fraction and all of that. This is a pure integer. 34 is a pure integer. Similarly, we have 114, which is not the same as 1 space 14. So how do you differentiate this two? You know, how do you tell that this is different and this is a different number? How do you tell that? It's a very simple trick using something called as point. Literally, just a dot. You just put a dot and you're done. So 3 and 4/10 is same as 3.4. This is read as point. You can read it as point. This is read as point. And this is read as 1.14. It's very convenient to read. I'm not reading it as 1.14. I'm reading it as 1.14. So this is read as 1.4. Okay. So that's how you read it as. So 34 is not the same thing as 3.4. 114 is not the same as 1.14. Okay, guys. So that is something that you have to keep in mind. So this particular dot and all of this, it has a special name. This is known as decimal notation. So decimal notation using a point, also known as a period, as a separator to identify the place value where the whole number ends and the fraction part begins. So basically you have it over here. It's a good summary of decimal point. When you have a period or a point, the value before that are all integers and value after that all fractions. So next is your table form. So this table form, I'll explain it over here. I'm not going to use that. Let me explain it over here. See, this is nothing but 700, which can be written as 7 into 100, plus 10 into 0 or 0 into 10, plus 5 into 1, right? While 7.05, which is not the same as 705, is nothing but 7 into 100 plus 0 into 1 by 10 plus 5 into 1 by 100. So instead of writing this big fat number, I'm able to write this small decimal form. So using decimal notation, I can reduce how much I am writing. Right, guys? So that is how you represent such scenarios using a simple dot. And now it's time for you guys to copy all of this. Don't miss anything.